students of class 11th in mathematics. We are studying topic sets, and in sets we have discussed union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, complement of sets, and many other things in our previous lecture and our previous notes. Today I will discuss the practical problem on union and intersection of sets. Here this is our universal set, and these are the two sets A and B. I have already told you that this common portion, this shaded portion, which I have already told you, this shaded portion is known as A intersection B. This portion is known as A minus B, or only A. This portion is known as B minus A, or only B. These are the two sets, and in Venn diagram, if two overlapping sets A and B are this situation, agar these two overlapping sets, this is the intersection portion, this is A minus B, or we can say that only A, and this is B minus A, only B. If you have to find out the number of elements in A union B, number of elements in A union B, then this will be equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in whole set A plus number of elements in whole set B. अगर आप ध्यान दें तो ये A intersection B जो है वो दो बार आ गया, इसमें भी आ गया, इसमें भी आ गया, इसलिए वन टाइम हमको इसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा, तब ये बैलेंस होगा. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन A union B इज इक्वल टू number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. If A and B are disjoint sets, I have already discussed the disjoint sets. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if A intersection B is equal to 5 and number of elements in A intersection B means number of elements in pi, that is 0. So this formula will be changed in the form of number of elements in A union B is equal to Na plus Nb. If two sets are disjoint, then the formula will be Na plus Nb, number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. And if the sets are not disjoint, then number of elements in A union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. Number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. This formula is also written as in another way. Here we have seen that this is the part A minus B, or we can say that only A, and this is B minus A, only B, and this is the part of A intersection B. If we have to find out number of elements in A union B, we can write it as number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in B minus A plus number of elements in A intersection B. So we can also find the number of elements in A union B by this way. Now if we have to find out the number of elements in A minus B, or we can say that number of elements in only A. Number of elements in only A, or we can say that number of elements in A minus B, it will be equal to number of elements in A minus number of elements in A intersection B. If we have to find out number of elements in B minus A, then number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. If we have three intersecting sets A, B, C, three intersecting sets in Venn diagram, you can see that this is your universal set, this is set A, this is B, this is C. Then number of elements in A union B union C, number of elements in A union B union C is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus number of elements in A intersection B minus number of elements in B intersection C minus number of elements in A intersection C plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. If A, B, C are the disjoint sets, then A intersection B, B intersection C, A intersection C and A intersection B intersection C must be equal to 5. Then this formula will be changed in the form A union B union C. Number of elements in A union B union C is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C. Now I have taken a practical problem. If X and Y are the two sets such that number of elements in X union Y is 50, X has 28 elements and Y has 32 elements, how many elements does have X intersection Y? As we have know the formula, number of elements in X union Y is equal to number of elements in X plus number of elements in Y minus number of elements in X intersection Y. Here its value is given, that is 50. In place of X union Y, the total number of elements 50. So in the place of n X union Y we can write 50. In place of nx we can write 28. Number of elements in X, number of elements in Y is 32. Number of elements in X intersection Y we have to find out. So if we solve it, number of X intersection Y is equal to 28 plus 32 minus 50. This is 60 minus 50 and this is 10. So number of elements in X intersection Y will be 10. Now we have taken another problem. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1, 50 to the chemical C2 and 30 to both chemical C1 and C2. Find the number of individuals exposed to the chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Second is you have to find out chemical C2 but not chemical C1, and third is chemical C1 or chemical C2. So this is our Venn diagram. Here we assume that number of individuals exposed to the chemical C1 are denoted by the set A and number of individuals exposed to the chemical C2 is set B. So this is portion A minus B. This is B minus A. A minus B we can say that which is exposed to the chemical C1 but not C2, and this is the portion C2 but not C1. Here we have given number of individuals, means number of universal set 200, number of elements in set A, it is given 120, number of elements in B, it is given 50 and 30 to both. Number of elements in A intersection B, that is 30. In first part we have to find out chemical C1 but not chemical C2, means we have to find out A minus B. By the Venn diagram, number of elements in A minus B will be equal to number of elements in A minus number of elements in A intersection B. That is number of elements in A, that is 120, minus 30, that is 90. Number of elements in B minus A, second part, number of elements in B minus A means chemical C2 but not chemical C1. This is number of elements in B, set B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Number of elements in B is 50, 50 minus 30, that is 20. And in third part, chemical C1 or chemical C2, that is A union B, Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. Na means 120 plus 50 minus 30, that is 170 minus 30, 140.